look up. You're gonna be on a video for the restoration of the Cívica grounds.
Una flor sin rocío morirá y nunca más vendrá la primavera. Aunque mi corazón te espera, sé que no volverá el amor y es por eso que no vivo más. El agua de los ríos se detendrá, el cielo no tendrá ningún color.
Mi gente is here, mi gente in the house.
Porque se terminó mi amor desde que me dejaste sola. Existo pero ya no vivo más. Una lágrima por tu amor, una lágrima lloraré, brotará de mi corazón.
So here we are at Belize, and look who we ran into, a big supporter of our Hispanic community, Mamie Thorns from SVSU. Mamie, what do you have to say?
Well, good morning. This was such a surprise to see you out here, and I'm so proud of what you're doing in our community, and I just want to say thank you and continue to keep up the good work, because this is what it's all about, giving back to our community.
Right.
Well, most definitely. We appreciate your donations. It's
Oh, well, thank you.
on behalf of the Union Cívica, thank you.
Thank you. Keep
All
up the good
right.
work. Okay.
Wow, it goes way back, going to, I think it was a quinceañera, and I was pretty young then, and oh, it was a lot of fun. Remember a lot of dances here. My cousin, she had her quinceañera here too also. It's a lot of memories over here, and it feels great to be giving back.
All right.
Hello, my name is Tammy Mattel, and one of my fondest members of being at the Cívica, when I was younger, I had so many friends who had quinceañeras here, and for me, I wanted to come out and volunteer my time to help beautify it and to keep it up and running as long as possible.
All right, that's Tammy Madell. Go right close up to the building, so don't put them closer, is those hollyhocks. I'm going to put seed, and then so that they grow right up against the building.
There's like a hump right here, so I was going to turn it over so I can level it.
Okay, well this is Mary Rendon Madell. She ran for the Union Cívica Queen back in 1950.
Ouch!
What was it, Mary?
Oh my God! It must have been like in the late 50s or mid 60s.
Okay,
but
so
I didn't win.
Well, here's a former Union Cívica runner-up doing her share to keep the Cívica beautiful.
Tal vez nunca te olvidaré, fuiste el primer amor y no volverá. Una lágrima por...
Okay, here we have Debbie Vasquez. What's your fondest memory of the Cívica?
That would have to be the quinceañeras when I was younger. Me and my cousins and my nieces would come out, and we'd practice all day on Saturday learning how to do the cumbia and our turns and moves, and then we'd come here and we'd show off. We'd show off for sure.
Una lágrima por tu amor.
Jacob, how do you feel about the restoration project here at the Cívica?
It's going good. It is. It's going really well. I'm glad we're out here doing it. Helps improve the neighborhood and front of the building.
Right.
Nunca te olvidaré, fuiste el primer amor y no volveré.